Hi, I'm Toti. Welcome back to QV channel. I've been thinking lately to do something new for our channel, and I just got my new phone today, so I think why not do an unboxing video and guess which phone I got. And here you can see actually. It's with an S20. Yes, that's the Samsung new S20. And the version I got is not the regular version. I got the S20 Plus. I didn't want the Ultra one because the Ultra phone looked way too big for my hand. I don't really have big hands, and I don't know how to put a big phone in the pocket. And this is my previous phone. This is my phone. I really like this phone. It's the S9. Let's say it's time to upgrade. So I get the S20 Plus. And you can see it from here. So let's unbox this cool gadget. Very excited. Usually I just open the gadget and the thing that I bought really quickly, and then I just like not doing a video. But are you ready? Are you ready? Now it's unsealed. Wow, look at this. Okay, I'm going to give you a closer look. Oh, this phone looks really nice. You can see here, first you get the box, you get the menu, as regular, as usual, warranty card, and quick start guide. And now you can see the phone is there. Huge. Wow, it's really easy to get my fingerprints on it. I need to clean it up later. Dangerous. And look at the color, it's amazing. I really like this color. I mean, this looks so, it's kind of like cool, right? Like space gray and sky blue. But then they have this cool effect on it. Don't know if you can see it, but it's super nice. And let's check what else in the box. We got a charger, super fast charger. Wow, it looks even different than the previous one. Oh, it's a very new one. It's USB 2. See that? Type C. Since I pre-ordered this, so I'm supposed to get the earbud as well. What's this? I guess it's just a box. Oh, they forgot the earbud. Oh, this is the earbud. Interesting. And now this is the charging cable. Type C, both sides. Hey, where's my? Oh, this is a headphone. Interesting. I thought this phone doesn't have a jack for the regular, but now they're using this tech. This is interesting. If you buy through a contract, you probably don't get those things that you get for a full ordering. And now we see this phone. And here's my S9, the old S9, and this is the S20. The size comparison, you can see it's quite different, so you can better compare. It's a bit smaller, I guess. Thinner, a bit thinner. But look at the phone, S9, and even now it's so big. I need to find a bigger pocket, I guess. Phone and the camera module is still quite cool, but I just think from the side you can see it's actually not really balanced. If I probably need to get a new case to put it on the table without such an effect. Okay, let's turn on the phone to see. Ooh, beautiful S20 Plus. Yeah, they need to start Android. Wait, I did touch it. Why it's not working? thank you. Of course. So I just did every setting now. We can test this bad boy. Oh wait. Look at this. Okay, I haven't finished all the settings, so we still see. Oh my god, the icon is so big. Look at the screen. Look really nice. Here, let's check the channel. I think you can actually... Oh, look at this. Wow. Isn't it amazing? I just touched this so you can see the fingerprints on the camera. It's beautiful. Okay, that's all I can do. Oh, what's going on? Crash? Even you can feel the vibration from the back, but the sound is actually really good. It's really nice. I wonder if it's a good quality of it. Let's check in. Ah, 360. Hey, can I get 4K? No, I can't get 4K. But it's pretty nice too. Zoom on it. Super. Camera. You put the flower here so you can just see the effect. If it's good or not good. Oh, I get notification. Oh, they had several options here, you can see. Before I even take the picture, I had different options to choose. Let's just randomly take a picture without filter. These days. Oh wow. I don't know if you can see. It's going to show this way. Wow. Amazing. I want more? Wait, what? Is that for real? That's beautiful. Okay, let's focus on this beautiful flower. It's not working. Oh, now it's working. Wow. See? Wow, I can see the detail. Okay, I'm keep shaking, I'm sorry, but this is beautiful. It's really nice. You can see better than my eyes. Okay, this is totally new. Let's try the single take function. Well, I do this. This flower looks much more beautiful than actual flower. Look at the color. Wow. It's just amazing. And they even give me more options if I want to choose. I guess it's here. Original without filter, and this is obviously with the smart filter. And they also took a video as well. What? Is that time lapse? Cool. Really cool. Wow, rewind. What? I'm not moving here. It's pretty amazing, the camera, and I think, I mean, this is just an unboxing video, so I will not show so deep about the phone, but it's pretty cool, and I'm really satisfied so far. I'm going to test more of the phone. Maybe we're going to film with this. Maybe next time I will test it when we're traveling, so we'll see what technology can bring us. So that's it, I guess. It's really cool. And some standard apps here. I think my app store will be full very soon again, like usual. Oh, there's some interesting app from Samsung as well. Okay, I need more time to explore this. I think one disadvantage is that you can actually see your fingerprint everywhere after literally you touch it for 10 minutes. Yeah, fingerprints on my camera, fingerprints on my phone camera. So creepy. But again, I would definitely buy a case for this because of the the camera module, that they would definitely create a problem later. I mean, who doesn't like some cool cases? This is actually for my store. If you want that, check out the store online. This is also from the store. I will put the link below if you want to. If you already see some of our travel video, you probably saw some of the very cool t-shirt or pullover. It's kind of weird. I can't play 4K video on this yet, unfortunately. So I guess if I film something 8K, which is mean I probably need to get a 8K TV for this to see the effect. Well. So that's it for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this and you get the information you need. If you like this episode, feel free to give me a like and subscribe the channel for more. I might do more and more this kind of video because when we travel, we usually will find some interesting stuff, and I don't think that will fit in our travel series. So now I just think it's good time to put them out and share it with you guys, because sometimes we really get something really interesting. If you're interested, don't miss out the next one. Until then, see you next time.